way to look at a grinder head on an excavator. See what's going on with that. Apparently she's got a lot of hydraulic fluid coming out of her, so stick with us. Let's go find out what's going on. This is the unit we're working on, and they got the cover off. Oh man, there's definitely some fluid down in there. Check the oil level, see what's going on here. Probably pull this right off of the machine and we'll go from there. Yeah, it's going to be a good morning, I think. Alright, so we got to actually get these lines pulled off and capped because she's just pissing out way too much. See if we can get it moved out of this lot and up to the corner. It's going to do some work, and well, so do we apparently. Okay, quick and easy. All the lines are disconnected. Check the hydraulic oil. As expected, there's none in it. So we're on our way back to the shop to get a pail of hydraulic because he only brought one pail and it's way past that. We'll walk this up over the road. Alright, so excavator's away from the chipper head. See if we can get this out, because there's 4 bolts, 2 here and over there, and then there's 2 more right here. But they also got the lines coming through here, so we're gonna have to disconnect those as well. Got Lucy girl over there. There you are. Hi, hi. Hey, 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 hey. Good girl. Good girl. If what I'm seeing is correct, I think we have the drain back hose might be blown. The one way back there that looks kind of deformed back there. Blown hose, so stay tuned. I'm going to get this apart. Okay, so what I'm noticing here is actually, if you look down there, I thought that hose was actually blocked off, but it's not. It actually sits onto a fitting right in there. That one there. So, as long as the fittings aren't stripped, we're going to try and get that back together, but I think what had happened was the hoses flexed back and forth enough to barely loosen that off. Sent out, we got a hose coming for the little one that did have a few pinholes, and we did manage to get that started, that one there, right there, that one. So that was burred up. We filed that down, and then we got it back together. And you're the on-site dog, aren't you? You the on-site dog? Sit. Good girl. Aw, good girl. Yes, you are a good girl. Alright. We're going to finish getting that tightened up, which is in a horrible spot, but we'll see what we can do. So, at this point, I got one more bolt to tighten up down there for the mount. This one right here. Then we're waiting on a hydraulic line, the smaller one. It did have a leak in it. When I was filing those out, I had a piece of almost like cigarette filter shoved in the line. I do that with a piece of cloth or a cigarette filter or something. And then when you file, a lot of the times when you're filing with hydraulic fluid in the fittings and stuff, it tends to stick right in that area. I wasn't filing a whole lot, so I knew I wasn't going to get any in the line, but it's always nice to have something in there anyway. So I did that, and then I brake cleaned them out, washed them out, and then I took the piece out. She actually ended up catching the thread and threading back on, so we didn't have to take the fittings out and take them and clean them up or anything, which was nice. It'll be back to putting that hose on just like. Should be good to go. That's on. Got that hydraulic line fixed up and clean these up, tuck them underneath before the snow gets here. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. Alright, have a good day.